trade idea that I'm watching is on AMD. Good morning, my fellow traders. Last day in Japan, Friday, and it is 7:54 a.m. We're gonna go head out to a fish market, and I'll tag you guys along. But let's get on to the day, and we're gonna see if we're gonna even trade today. Vlog is getting posted, guys. Just gotta do a thumbnail first. I know, literally, none of this out in the middle of the street. But there's strawberries. Buddy.
You sure?
What is that, bro? Currently 3 p.m. Whoa! Oh my god.
Remember, not touching the lights. And please keep walking forward. Thank you.
Oh. $15 minutes for the market opens. Still editing up the vlog. Posting one as well. Market just opened. So guys, it's currently 12:24 a.m. This is LA time. So market's been open for 2 hours, and the trade idea that I'm watching is on AMD, but ain't shit really going on. So I don't think I'm gonna trade today, guys. We're just gonna take this flight and head on home.